Are you a flatbed driver looking for consistent pay and weekly home time? Decker Truckline has an opportunity for you. Decker's Midwest Flatbed guarantees $13.50 a week, a $5,000 sign-on bonus, and up to a 4-cent a mile monthly bonus. To qualify for the $1,350 each week, you must be available for dispatch the entire week, no load refusals, turn in your paperwork, and 100% on-time delivery. No preventable driver service failures. If you don't meet all those requirements, the regular Midwest Flatbed mileage pay applies. If the pay per mile exceeds the $13.50, you'll make the greater of the two. Our weekly miles average $2,300 to $2,400, and our pay per mile runs from 45 cents to 52 cents based off of experience. In addition to the monthly bonus, the 90-day pay increase, annual increases, and the $5,000 sign-on bonus, Decker also extends extra pays for detention, layover, mechanical breakdown, extra drop and pick pay, along with other accessories. Tarping and untarping, securing and unsecuring pay $15 each. Decker hauls sheetrock, steel beams, coils, lumber, and other building supplies. You'll be home weekly, sometime during the weekend, and running Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, Kansas, Missouri, and Nebraska during the week. If you live between Mason City to Fort Dodge to Chicago, Chicago to Milwaukee, or Milwaukee to Mason City, and you want both guaranteed pay as well as weekly home time running in Decker Flatbed Division, call 888-668-0698 or apply directly online at drivedecker.com. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave that in the comments section below, or you can call us at 888-668-0698. And don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date on all our available positions here at Decker Truckline.